Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not opening on the website. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent the game from launching. Next, try restarting your web browser completely, then attempt to open Roblox again. It's also crucial to keep your browser updated to its latest version and clear its cache and cookies, as old data can cause conflicts. These initial steps often resolve common issues quickly. If initial steps don't work, let's focus on Roblox itself. Verify that the Roblox application is correctly installed on your computer. If not, or if it seems corrupted, a complete reinstall of the Roblox player can often fix persistent problems. Also, take a moment to check the official Roblox server status. Sometimes, the issue isn't on your end. Finally, try running Roblox as an administrator to ensure it has all necessary permissions. Now, let's look at your system. Temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall can help identify if they are blocking Roblox. It's also important to keep your operating system updated to its latest version, as older versions might have compatibility issues. Don't forget to update your graphics drivers too, as outdated drivers can cause performance problems. Lastly, check for any background applications that might be conflicting with Roblox. For more advanced troubleshooting, try launching Roblox from an entirely different web browser to rule out browser-specific issues. If the problem persists, consider performing a clean boot of your system to isolate any software conflicts. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support directly. They can offer personalized assistance. Also, review Roblox's official troubleshooting guides for additional detailed solutions and tips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.